welcome back to Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing, or rather unpackaging, because I got this in the mail today. I know what it is. It's my extra stuff that I ordered with Kepic Week's Noir game. There was a bit of a mix-up with my order, and got in contact with him and he sent me what I've ordered out. So let's get down to the table and see what we actually have. Okay, now I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to need to get my other tripod out to make this a little taller, but here we go. Let's have a look at what we have in here. Ta-ta-ta! He's made sure it's wrapped. This is not going to accidentally open in transit. Yeah. Here we are. Let's get rid of this. And we have these three things here. What these are, I'm not going to open all of them, I'm just going to open one so you can see what one is. They're all the exact same, and they're all the Playmats for the Ghastly Games. Now, using three, you can get to play up to six people. So that's why I've got three, basically. So let's push those out of the way, and we'll open this one on camera, just so you can see them. Oh, it is quite big. We're not going to get to see all of it on here, so what I may do is yeah, you're just missing the ends basically, which is just shows you how to place the cards. But there we are. What you do is you put one here, and then another one running that way, and then one running across the two, and that would give you your 6-player. But this is what we have at the moment. So you could either do one side by side for a 4-player game, I think, or you could actually do it crossways for up to a 4-player game. I'm assuming. So it marks out everything. It marks out your capture pile, face down cards, face up cards, and then in the middle here you've got your the stacks that you're placing, your draw deck, and that's about it. It's very, very nicely coloured, as I'm hoping you can see. There's all sorts of different colours in there, from peaches to golden browns, cream. Very pretty. So this is going to look really nice as you play the game, and yes, that is it. I love the detail in the middle. Let's zoom in so you can see what it's like. That's really, really nice. And the little characters along here, and each side is different, as you can see. So they're all different. Well, that shows the draw deck, so that part is definitely different. But yeah, that is a lovely little mat. It's not quite as thick as the neoprene mat that I've got on underneath it, but it's a lovely thickness, as you can see. I'm hoping you can see. And it's going to be quite nice to play on. So that's it for this video. Let's just zoom out once more. that's it for this video. As I say, there was a bit of a mistake in the order that I put in, but it's very soon been rectified. I'm very happy with what I've got, and yeah, looking forward to now playing the Ghost Hunter games. So that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.